Have you ever walked through a property and thought, this place has to be worth a fortune, only to see the valuation come in much lower than expected? To many people, property value can seem subjective. To buyers, might see the same home completely different. Even a valuer walking through a property might appear to be making a judgment based on what they see in the moment. But in reality, professional property valuations are not based on personal opinions. Valuers follow a structured process and look for specific factors that influence how a property compares with others in the market. Whether you are planning to sell, renovate, or simply want to understand what your property might be worth, knowing how a valuer thinks can give you a real advantage. A lot of homeowners focus on upgrades or trends they see online, but not every improvement translates into measurable value. Professional valuers look at properties through a very different lens. They focus on elements that influence market behavior and comparable sales evidence. Once you understand what they are actually assessing, it becomes much easier to see why some properties achieve stronger results than others. One of the first things valuers pay close attention to is the kitchen and bathroom. These areas tend to have a strong influence on how buyers perceive a property. A modern, functional kitchen often signals that the home has been updated and well maintained. If two similar homes are for sale in the same area, the one with a renovated kitchen and modern bathrooms will often attract stronger buyer interest. That does not mean every renovation adds dollar for dollar value, but kitchens and bathrooms are often the areas where improvements can have the most noticeable impact on market appeal. These rooms help shape the overall impression of the property. Another key factor valuers look at is how the property is built. The materials used in construction influences durability, maintenance, and long-term appeal in the market. Properties built with solid materials like brick often perform differently in the market compared with lightweight construction materials, such as weatherboards, fiber cement cladding, or modular panel systems. Valuers also look at the overall condition of the property and how well it has been maintained over time. Age alone does not determine value. An older home that has been well maintained can still perform very strongly in the market. What valuers are really assessing is the quality of the structure and the level of upkeep, because these factors influence how buyers view the property compared with other nearby. Another factor can significantly affect a valuation is whether improvements have the correct approvals. Many properties have additions such as extensions, extra rooms, enclosed patios, or granny flats. These improvements may look impressive and add usable space, but valuers still need to confirm whether those changes were properly approved. If an improvement lacks the appropriate approvals, it may not contribute to the assessed value in the same way. In some cases, it may only be considered as a supplementary improvement, rather than a full recognized part of the dwelling. This is why documentation and approved building work can play an important role in how a property is assessed. This may include development approvals from the local council, building permits issued by a certifier or building authority, occupancy certificates, and other documents confirming the work complies with local planning and building regulations. All these impact the value of the properties and the return on investment. Valuers also consider landscaping and other minor improvements, but these usually play more of a supporting role. Things like driveways, fencing, outdoor entertaining areas, pools, and gardens can improve how a property presents and how it functions for buyers. Well-designed outdoor areas can make a property feel more complete and more enjoyable to live in. However, these improvements generally carry less weight than core elements like kitchens, bathrooms, and the main structure of the home. They tend to enhance the property's overall appeal rather than define its core value. If you were going to renovate one part of your home to improve its value, what would it be? Would you focus on the kitchen, update the bathrooms, or invest more on outdoor area? So once valuers assess the features of the property, how do they actually determine the value? This is where comparable sales come in. Valuers analyze recent sales of similar properties in the same area and compare them with the property being assessed. They then adjust for differences such as the number of bathrooms, renovations, building conditions, and overall presentation. For example, if a nearby property sold recently but had a renovated kitchen or an additional bathroom, the value will factor that difference into the analysis. This process helps determine whether the property sits within the current market. It is not just about what improvements exist, it's about how these features compare with other properties buyers are choosing between. If you want to understand the true market value of your property, it helps to look at it through the same lens that valuers use. A professional valuation analyzes comparable sales, the property's features, and how it sits within the local market. The team at Duo Tax provides property valuation reports designed to give a clear, evidence-based assessment of residential property value. If you want a better understanding of where your property stands in the market, you can learn more about our valuation reports through the link in the description. You can also get a free quote for a property valuation for your own home. If you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe for more videos where we break down how the property market is analysed and the factors that influence real estate value. Understanding these concepts can help you make better property decisions. Thanks for watching.